Hi guys, welcome to my channel mathssl. I'm speaking Saqib Latif. Today I choose the question 2021, how they oppose the question about proportionality theorem. I'm going to show you how to prove. This is the exam question which is May 2021. The question says, in the diagram ABC is a triangle, D and E are points on sides AB and AC respectively, such that DE parallel to BC. Right. So this is the information of the sketch. ABC is a triangle and the D and E are the points. D on AB and the point E on AC, and such that the DE parallel to BC. The need to prove here, the question says use the diagram above to prove the theorem which states that. So this is the definition of the theorem. A line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle divides the other two sides proportionally. So which means you need to prove that AD over DB is equal to AE over EC. I'll show you how to prove this theorem. This I have the answer book which they're gonna give you an exam just like this, question 9, and then A, B, C. The sketch, exactly the same sketch which is in the question paper, they will provide you in answer book as well. So you need to do just some construction to prove this theorem. Let's start. So I have to do some construction. So you're gonna join BE and CD and right. So first I need to join. So I need to join BE from one vertex to another vertex, right? And then I must join CD. Right. Now after I join finish, then so and draw H1 from E perpendicular to AD and H2 from D perpendicular to AE. So I'm gonna draw the H1 here, my H1, and then I'm gonna, this must be a 90 degree, 90 degree, and then I need to, this is my H1, and the H2 you need to draw. There my H2 is there. This is gonna be my H2, and this is also gonna be a 90 degree. So H2 is also 90 degree. Now must remember we join BE and we did join CD, and then we draw H1 from E that perpendicular to AD, this, and then we draw H2 from D, H2 we draw from D perpendicular to AE. Now we're gonna prove our theorem. So we're going to prove this theorem now. So we're gonna start area of triangle ADE over area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle ADE over area of triangle BDE E. B, D, E. Same base, same height we're gonna use. So now, so the area of ADE is gonna be 1 over 2 times AD base, which is this is a base, 1 over 2. We're using the triangle area of triangle. We're using that rule. 1 over 2 base time height. So this is the base AD and the height is H1. So the AD is the base 1 over 2 times AD time, which is the height H1. There we go, over. Now BDE. So this is the base 1 over 2 times BD. This is the base and the height we're going to use the same H1. So remember, if you got the car and if I ask you to draw the height of the car, so you're not gonna say the bonnet separate, boot separate, no, height of the car. So from the tire till the roof, so height of the car will stay the same. So it's gonna be also H1. Now we're gonna cancel 1 over 2 cancel, H1 and H1 cancel, and we left with AD over BD, right? So we have AD over BD left. Now finish this side, we'll come to this side now, right hand side. Area of triangle ADE, area of triangle AED or ADE same. So this side we're going to use now. So the area of triangle ADE over area of triangle DEC. DEC is equal to DEC. DEC. So this is the base and then AE the base. So the ADE 1 over 2 times AE times H2 over. So must remember AE is the base and the H2 is the height. So AE and H2 is the height. The triangle AED, or you can say ADE, doesn't matter, same triangle. So now we need to find the area of triangle DEC. DEC. So the base is EC and the height again gonna be same H2. So the 1 over 2 times EC times H2. Now we're gonna cancel. This will cancel out. So we left with AE over EC. Now, so area of triangle ADE, I can see both triangles is common. So I isolate area of triangle ADE is equal to, I got AD over BD times this one is a division, when come that side become multiply, it become times. So it's going to be area of triangle BDE. Same, I isolate ADE in this second on right hand side, which we prove, or we prove, remember we prove right left hand side and the right left hand side proportion and the right hand side proportion. So now also from here I'm going to isolate ADE. So the area of triangle ADE is equal to, we have AE over EC and the times gonna be, now this is division, when come on right hand side, move on right hand side, become times. So the multiply area of triangle DEC. Now area of triangle ADE is equal to AD over BD and time area of triangle BDE, and the area of triangle ADE is also equal to AE over EC time area of triangle DEC. So both equal to area of triangle ADE. So we can say these both also equal to each other because they both equal to same thing. So we say AD over BD times area of triangle BDE is equal to this AE over EC time area of triangle DEC. But area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle DEC. Have a look. BDE, alright, and the other side is DEC. So this is the common here. DE is the common. I make this is a base now. So if I draw any line from here, so it's gonna be same height, same perpendicular height. So DE is my base, and I can draw a line from here or from here, so as to from DE to towards BC is gonna be same height, same perpendicular height. So that's why same base, same height. So that's why these both triangles area is also equal. So we will give the reason here. Same base, same height. Very important, you have to give the reason. No? Same base, same height. That's why the area is equal to each other. Now if this is the case, then which means all of these triangles what we did they are equal to each other. So the area of triangle, remember we start first ADE over area of triangle BDE is going to be equal to area of triangle ADE over area of triangle DEC. Therefore, AD over BD is equal to AE over EC. We prove the above theorems. Right? AD over BD is equal to AE over EC. AD over BD is equal to AE over EC. We proved. Now, have a look. This one is important. If you don't want to, you can skip this one. If you want to, this method, this step, you can skip because we prove same base and same height. So that's why AD over BD is equal to AE over EC. So then after that, you can write directly this one. You don't need to show this step. But if you want to show, it's same thing because this shows that all the triangles area is equal to each other. We prove this one. So AD over BD is equal to AE over EC. Please like and subscribe my videos. And if you have any question, comment below. I will assist you. Have a nice day.